What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from Ecstasy Tunes. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to compose a killer chord progression for a vocal a cappella or any melodies for that matter. This is the technique that I use to compose chord progression, and I'd like to show you guys my method of doing this. Alright, so if this is your first time here, please do me a favor and join the Ecstasy Tunes family by subscribing to the channel, turn on notification, and smash the like button and share this video to all your friends and family, right? So without further ado, let's jump right in. I have this acapella and it's a free acapella. It's really cool. So I'm gonna play the track for you guys. Let's hear it. Oops.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
So here's the main melody and here's the harmony for that track. Okay, it sounds really cool. She's a great singer, well recorded with proper mic and stuff. It's actually quite a long a cappella track, but I've just trimmed it down, so I don't want to compose the chords for the whole song actually, because I'm really kind of lazy. So I have this main melody. So usually what I'll do is I'll try to understand the melody by transcribing it. So I'll play the note, I'll play the song and get the melody of the main vocal, and from there I create the chords. So let me just show you what I mean.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head.
Okay, let me mute this harmony.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head.
Okay, you hear that? Na 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 na. So that's the melody, right? So this is the first note. This is the second note then. Okay, so I think that's the one.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you in bed?
So that was the melody, right? So once I got the melody, I'll record it. Let me turn on the metronome.
You got cake on your face, you got cake on your face, you got egg on your head.
Okay, so let's go to retrospective recording, and I'm gonna glue this guy here. I'm gonna delete this. Let me quantize this. Okay.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head.
Okay. So I'll go and get the melody for the rest of the song.
Are you embarrassed? Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Are you embarrassed of the things that? Are you embarrassed of the things that you say?
Yeah, that's the one.
Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Are you embarrassed of the things that you say?
So now we got the main vocal melodies. We can compose chord based on this. I'm going to transpose this up because I want to have the chord to play this octave.
Are you embarrassed of the things that you say?
Okay, cool. Okay, let's create a chord track. The note starts with B flat and then it goes to E flat, right? So I'm gonna create a B flat minor chord, maybe 7. Let's try that. The second chord, E flat minor 7 as well. And then the third, let's see what note. Okay, it's going to the E flat again. Sorry, it goes to the E flat, correct? And then it goes to B flat. Although the note is E flat, I don't want to repeat the same chord here, so let's try with D flat major. C sharp. Okay, let's go with 7. Okay.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say?
It ends with D flat, but I want to go with F major. Yeah, F7. Let's go with F7 because now I'm using a B flat minor scale, and F will be the dominant, and I want to have a dominant 7 here at the end. Well, because there's no melody here, so I don't think it will clash with any other notes. I think I have to create another MIDI track. Let me rename this as chords. Select the right one. Okay, so I'm going to select all, just drag it down. Okay, let's hear it now.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say?
Okay, it sounds good, don't you think?
Embarrassed. Are you embarrassed?
Na, 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 na. Although it's going to the E flat note, but this D flat major 7 chord sounds really good. Or let's try with D sus2. Okay, let's try that.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Are you embarrassed of the things that you say?
What do you think? I think it sounds good. Okay, now let's find the chords for the other half. Okay, we can try to just copy and paste. Let's see if that sounds good.
Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
Okay, I like the ending and I like the beginning, but I don't like this D flat sus2 here. Let's see if I can come up with a different chord here.
Don't try to take it back. Don't try to take it back. Don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face.
Okay, basically the notes, it's like just right here, it's not going anywhere else. So I think we can just use the...
Try to take it back. Don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face.
I can just change this to D flat major.
Try to take it back. Don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
That sounds good, right? So what did I do there? You know, I just see, getting the right chords for the melody is really easy. It's not that hard. Once you know what are the melodies being used for the main melody, whether vocal or a lead, anything, all you have to do is find the right chords that sits well with the melody, with the notes, right? I have a few options here, okay? If it's using B flat note, what are the other choices that I have beside B flat minor? Okay, so if you know the scales, so these are the scales. If the melody's note is on B flat, I can use either B flat minor or E flat minor because we have this B flat in both of these chords, right? So let's try to experiment with it. So maybe I want to use the first chord here, right? And the second chord, B flat minor.
Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
It gets a little darker, isn't it? E flat is just not sitting well with this note. So how about, what other chords can we use for the note? Another chord that we can use is F sharp major. Let's try that. F sharp major.
Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
Like that. Let's hear it from the beginning.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
Okay, it sounds good, but I still like the first chord that we use, which is B flat minor 7. So let's go back to the same chord that we used earlier, B flat minor 7, and it goes to E flat minor 7.
Try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
It's based on the preference, you know, what kind of mood that you want to create with the chords that you use underneath the melody. So I think B flat suits well for
Take it
this
back, don't
song.
try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
Okay, so now let's put the harmony and let's see how it sounds.
You got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face.
Okay, now let's add in some drums. I'm gonna throw in some reverb.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face. You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you...
Okay, I'm gonna just adjust this starting note of this song.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of it?
Now let's add in the drums.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it on your face. I saw it on your face. You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say?
Okay, I'm gonna add in the hi-hat.
You got cake on your face, you got egg on your head. Are you embarrassed of the things that you say? Don't try to take it back, don't try to say that you weren't there when I saw it.
Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I just want to show you guys how to compose a chord for the melody. So the process is the same. Find the melody of the note and add the chords based on the note used. Okay, So I hope you find some value in this video. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and smash the like button, and share this video to all your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.